complement arithmetic. Subtract 1010 from 1101 using ones complement method. So before performing ones complement, randomly I'll do it in rough work that 1010 it is a decimal form of 10 and 1101 is a decimal form of 30. So after doing the subtraction, 13 minus 10, why? Because it's saying subtract this from this. So 1101 minus 1010. So after 13 minus 10, answer is 3. So whatever value I will get at the end of this question should be equivalent to plus 3. Now how to solve it? Since no sign bit is given, no sign is given, by default it is positive number. So 10 with sign bit will be represented as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 13 will be represented as 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Where this 0 represents that both numbers are positive. Now which number we have to subtract? We will find ones complement. We have to subtract this number from this. So we will find ones complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So its one complement will be 0 will change into 1 and 1 will change into 0. So it will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is ones complement of positive 10. Now we'll add this to 1, 1, 0, 1. Now we'll add it 1, 1, 0, 1 with sign magnitude 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Addition rules I told you. 1 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 11, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 10, 0 and 1 will carry here. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, we will get 1 here. Again 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So 0 will come here, 1 will go to the carry. 1 plus 1 is 10, 0. 0 will come here and 10 plus 0 will be 10 only. So 0 will come here and 1 will go here. 1 plus 1 again will get 10, 1 and 0. Since we left with this carry, because 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So 0 will come here and this 1 will carry here, this 1 will come here. What we will do, we will drop this carry and add it here at the least significant bit of this result. Final result which we get will be 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 0. This is the final answer, where this 0, most significant bit, represents that it's a positive number. And we will check 0, 0, 1. This should be equivalent to 3. So let's check. So final answer will be, using ones complement, answer will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, or you can write 0, 0, 1, 1. You can write this as the answer because by default it's a positive number. So if we want to cross check whether our answer is right or wrong, we will find it binary equivalent. 1 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 3, 0 into 2 to the power 4. 1 because 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1, 2, 0, 0. 2 plus 1 we get this 3, and that I showed you earlier when in rough I did it. 13 minus 10 will give you positive 3 and here also we are getting 3. So the result of this is 3 only. That means our answer is correct. In this way we will do a binary subtraction using ones complement. This is the first case when there is carry, then we drop this carry. In case if there is no carry, then we will write the answer as it is as. For this, we will see another example in which there is no carry, because here it is carry. If carry is there, we dropped it and we added, we got this answer. If in case if there is no carry, then how we'll do that? We'll see it in next example. Now next question says subtract 1110 from 1010. So decimal equivalent of 1110 is 14 and decimal equivalent of 10102 is 10. According to question, it says subtract this from this. That means 10 minus 14 minus 4. So at the end we have to check whether we are getting this answer or not. Now how to do this? We will find the ones complement of the number which we have to subtract. Now since no sign magnitude is given, in question also it's not mentioned, so by default both numbers are positive. So for 14 with sign magnitude, it will be represented at 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, where the 0 represents that it is a positive number. For 10, we will represent 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, where the 0 as the most significant bit represents that it is a positive number. Now we have to find the ones complement of which number? Of this number. That means of this number we have to find ones complement. How we will find? Ones complement of 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 will be 0 will change into 1, 1 will change into 0, 0, 0 and 1. So its one complement of this will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we add this ones complement to 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0 with sign magnitude 0 will add this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. By the addition rules we know 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. If we are not leaving any carry, no carry is there, it's the most significant bit only, no carry is there, this shows that it's the most significant bit, it shows that it's a negative number. Answer which we were getting was negative only, and this is equivalent to 4 but in 2's complement form, but in 2's complement, sorry, in 1's complement, but now we find this 1's complement. Now we add this to this 1, 0, 1, 0 with sign bit 1, with sign bit 0 because it's a positive number, 1, sign bit 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1. No carry is left. So this will be a final answer. In previous example, we left with carry. So we dropped that carry and we added it here. But in this, no carry was there. So this is the answer. This 1, that is most significant bit. It shows that it's a negative number. And 1, 0, 1, 1 is equivalent to 4, which is in 1's complement form. So our answer will be 1, 0, 1, 1. This will be our answer. If we want to check it, so we will check whether this 1, 0, 1, 1 gives you 4 or not. How will check it? First we will convert it into again in 1's complement form, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now we will check 2 to the power 0 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. It will be 0, 0, 4, 0. Yes, we are getting this 4 with MSB as 1, most significant bit as 1, which represents it's a minus number. So our result is correct. In this way, we will find one's complement, subtraction using one's complement. One example, when carry is left. Another example I showed when there is no carry there. How we will solve it.